about that there DX Land? How about that there DX Land 018? That's a 018 Tennessee Beavis with 8 and time wave.
Carolina Kid put it on top of your head. A 455 Carolina Kid got that hammer down. That ground plane is smacking you. Anyway, let's go. A three-legged dog 148 with the even time wave, and I'm stepping back. Boom, boom.
Hello, 148. Hello, 148, 018, Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Oh, it's a 92 around the Carolina. Smarty going,
Pretty rough and tough out there. Be 018. That's 018, Tennessee Beavis with 8 and time wave. Getting on them down.
Hey, Beavis, Blue Poppa, Blue Poppa, I'm cruising Bruce River, right around here.
Hello, Big Poppa. Hello, Big Poppa. Got you on the gate, man. Mr. Big Poppa, you're sounding good in Tennessee. 018 Beavis waving. Roger, Big Poppa got down on that big Suburban, man. You're sounding good in Tennessee. Appreciate you hollering. 018 Tennessee Beavis with 8 and time wave. Bye, Big Poppa. Bye, Big Poppa. Sounding good. 018 Tennessee Beavis. Sitting back rolling that gate, reading the mail. We're waiting. Hello, shotgun, shotgun, and more shotguns. 018 Tennessee Beavis waving at you, man. Getting on down, cheeseburger, getting on down. Good evening, time out there, DX Land. 018 Tennessee Beavis, broken down donkey stomper with the wave.
Hey Beavis, I was trying to give some locals a little airtime, Beavis, and here you come. Hey Beavis, man, what the hell with that Watergate? And that you 270? Hey, 270, that's you out there with that Watergate. Hey, 270, shame on you, your shotgun. You come to walk my pants down, I'm gone.
Pistol, 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 pistol grip. I heard you, buddy. Hey, Pistol Grip, I heard you down here in Tennessee. It's rough and tough, man. Good evening time, my friend. Pistol Grip, 018 Beavis in 10. What's the way?
You got it on, man. I'm going to have to look something up to get you up in here, too, man. Hey, 270, I'm going to have to look something up to get you up in here, too, because you got that choice audio. Look out about it. Hey, 270, go stay tomorrow. Hey, 270, around the back woods. You shotgun, all this morning swinging up there. The big apple tree is standing by.
Cheeseburger, cheeseburger, getting on down. The old broken down donkey stomper with the 8 and time wave, and it's rough and tough in my receiving Tennessee. We're listening.
If you believe that, I'll tell you another one.
get some ass out there. Shoo-wee. What a mess am I receiving in Tennessee. 018 Beavis on a broken down donkey stomper with the wave.
I'm trying to get in there. 43 is getting down. Bye. All right, Big Poppa. You're sounding good up here in Nome, Alaska. I'm going to check out the rest of the band now. I'll see you later.
How about up there in Alaska? How about up there in Nome, Alaska? How about in Alaska? 018 Tennessee Beavis waving a hand at you up there in Alaska. We're breaking.
Oh, no. I really hope nobody will.
Hello up there, Rhode Island. Hello up there, Rhode Island. Sounding good in Tennessee, man. It's rough and tough down here, but I got you on the gate. 018 waving. Hello, 113 Massachusetts Mobile. Good evening time. Appreciate you hollering, Mr. 113 in Massachusetts. Sounding good in Tennessee. 018 Beavis with the wave at Donkey Stomper headquarters.
Come on back to the Holy Ghost up there in Boston, man.
Hello, Ghost in Boston, Massachusetts. Hello, Boston, Massachusetts Ghost. You're sounding good in Tennessee, man. 018 Beavis waving.
Thank you for the combat. Smarty Jones. Hey, somebody up there in the mountains.
I heard Smarty Jones. Hey, Smarty Jones, I heard you come in there, man. It's rough and tough in Tennessee trying to get everybody out here. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
This will be a little bit rough, but I'm going to say good evening to you. Old man Johnny Walker, 113 Massachusetts, making his way home.
Sounding good. 113 Old Man Johnny Walker. Sounding good in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee Beavis on the old broken down donkey stomper with the easy time wave.
And that's a Roger 018. 018, that's a big 10-4 Roger. Hi, 018, you sounded mighty good back here in Massachusetts. Like I said before, you ain't got no problem making a trip down here in Massachusetts. 018, 113, Johnny Walker waving right back.
Right knockers on that. 113 sounding good in 10 once again, my friend. 018 Tennessee Beavis standing by reading the mail.
That's a Roger 018. Hey, 018, kiss that beautiful queen of how all the story goes. Tell them all that Johnny Walker Black did knock on the door. Mr. 018, Johnny Walker, the ghetto mobile, I just got down.
Roger on getting on down. Johnny Walker done get old mobile. Got the hammer down in Tennessee. 018 Beavis got you on the video game, man. We'll post it up here in a little bit.
Yeah, I want to see if I get my name called on this channel. channel. 67, 67. Unit 67 in the mobile around Long Island. 67, 7 around Jones, Beasley,
Hey, 67 in Long Island Mobile. 67 Long Island Mobile. Hey, 67, man, you're sounding good in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee Beavis got that Mobile and Long Island on the video gate, and I'm waving.
Appreciate it, comrade. Appreciate it, comrade. Let me know my route to be 101 Mobile.
Rod Knocker 67 got you on the video gate in Tennessee. 018 Beavis with the wave. Pistol, 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 Gripp. 018 Beavis waving.
Hey, Camouflage, you ain't got no problem getting it back here. is Johnny Walker in Massachusetts. Says you ain't got no problem getting it back. Hey, dear. 757 Massachusetts. Children waiting for a comeback.
Hey, 757 Massachusetts. Hey, 757, that's 757, man. You're sounding good in Tennessee. 018 Beavis Waiver. Well, I'll tell you what, we don't have really the best of Mother Nature in Tennessee. It's kind of rough and tough on this end, and in and out, up and down, and all that stuff. So I'm going to end this video, Gate. Hope you all up north have a good evening time and everything goes your way. From 018 Tennessee Beavis, from Donkey Stomper HQ with the Eating Time Wave. We're back quiet. Bye.